a business about, let's see, 2014. I started my Moringa business, so about 6-7 years ago. And I just started by planting seeds. So here we are right now, full circle. 7 years is usually a full cycle. And we've just been sticking these seeds right here, just like this, right on the top surface. We don't need to stick them down too much. We just kind of keep them up top there. And my name is Kendrick Henry. I have a master's in architecture, and I'm here helping to design and build farms. And so we're also consulting on farmland around the country. If you have a farm project that you're interested in getting started, you can get a consultation with me just for like an hour, 2 hours, and I can go in on your project and kind of help steer you in the right direction if you want to get started. I have a lot of experience with plants and in nature, also in the classroom, just kind of making buildings, making houses, designing museums and art galleries and things like that. So I'm really interested in creating beautiful spaces, creative spaces, educational spaces that teach people. And right now my passion is Moringa. Moringa's changed my life completely 180'd my life. You can see I'm in fairly good shape. I eat plant-based. I'm 34 years old and I feel great. I feel amazing. Of course, I have a wonderful girlfriend and partner that really helps to take care of me, but also we love incorporating Moringa in everything that we do. We use the oil from the seeds on our skin, hair, nails. Thank you. I'll check with it. Right now I just have the phones on silent mode. Please include your name and where you are. Sacramento, California. My mom is from San Diego, so I've got a little bit of Cali in my blood. Let's see, who else is growing Moringa? We've got people in Arizona. Planting changed my life as well. Awesome. Planting seeds, eating more greens, eating more veggies, helps me with digestion. I used to be severely constipated all the time. I didn't know what was going on with my body. I couldn't go to the bathroom. And then I started drinking more water. I started eating more seeds. I started to consume more Moringa leaves in my diet. Just started meditating more and asking these questions and getting connected with people that are in the plant industry that are also doing the same things. You know, changing their lifestyle, not eating out as much fast food, cooking more at home and eating more plant-based, less sugar, you know, and also doing more yoga and stretching. And luckily my girlfriend is a yoga instructor, so we're spending more time together even in the mornings just doing yoga, which really helps with stress levels. And you know, I'm rising even more in love with what I'm doing because I have the support of you watching, liking this video, sharing this with your friends, following us on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and all of our channels and outlets that are just teaching. We're really getting into the process of really just getting to teach about how people just need to start planting seeds right now. If you're not planting seeds right now in the spring, what are you doing? Just consuming? You're just a consumer. Why don't you make something? Why don't you create something? Why don't you plant something and watch that seed grow, not only inside you with your spirit and your soul, but also on the outside in this physical. And the more that you plant the seeds and watch the seeds grow, you will too grow more in love with nature. And so if you're feeling like you need to make a change in your life and you need to get back to nature, if you feel like something's really maybe holding you back from something, and you need some support, you need to get some seeds, give us a ring. We do ship out seeds in different sizes. We've got different sizes here. We've got little baggies that come in the starter kits. We've got these little big ones that have like 50 seeds in them. And we even have these ones here, which are the 1,000 Moringa seeds. 1,000 Moringa seeds? Could you get 1,000 seeds and plant them all out